A new agent paper points at a boring-sounding bug that quietly breaks long tasks. The context window keeps the newest stuff, not the right stuff. Your agent may drop an old fact the user needs, while keeping a giant recent tool dump just because it happened last. PACMS proposes a pluggable context selector. Before the prompt is built, choose the pieces with the most value for this exact request. Most agent frameworks solve overflow with recency truncation, sometimes with summaries on the side. But recency is topic blind. It cannot tell whether an old constraint matters more than a fresh but irrelevant log. That is exactly where memory agents fail. The useful thing is often old, and the bulky thing is often recent. PACMS moves the decision into prompt assembly. It treats chat, memories, and tool outputs as one candidate pool. The selector scores pieces by relevance to the current query, by whether they add something new, and by the remaining token budget. Then it builds a budgeted prompt with a high-value mix, instead of blindly slicing from the end. The technical trick is submodular selection. The intuition is simple: do not pay twice for the same information. If fact already covers the mission goal, a near duplicate gets less value than a different constraint the agent still needs. So the prompt becomes a compact map of the task, not a pile of whatever text arrived most recently. For builders, the interesting part is that PACMS is pluggable. It sits right before the language model call. That changes the framing. Stop asking what text can we delete. Ask what evidence should earn a spot in this prompt. If your agent uses memory, tools, or long conversations, context selection is no longer an optimization. It is core infrastructure. The takeaway is simple. Pool every candidate, score its value for the current request, and select the best set that fits. Fresh context is not always useful context. The next generation of agents needs prompt assembly that knows the difference.